Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Thanks for stopping by, and if you're new, welcome. Thank you for coming by. And today we're going to be making a Christmas star, just like this one here. Yep, that's right. I'm going to show you how to make that out of paper. Nice little decoration for Christmas. What you need is 2 A4 bits of paper shaped into a square. Doesn't matter exactly what size. The bigger the square, the bigger the star. An A4 size square, cut down obviously into, is it 21 centimeters, is what I'm going to be using today. So what you want to do, let's jump straight into it. Fold it in half and score it. Turn it on its other axis and fold it in half again and score it. And then this time we're going to go over at an angle and score it. So we've got a triangle, and then on the other angle another triangle. So now we've got this star shape out of the square. Now on the sides, in the middle, you want to cut about halfway down each side. So let's just do that. Don't need to go all the way down, just about halfway. Doesn't matter if you go over halfway. So we want to do that on all 4 sides. So I've got cut lines in each of the 4 sides. Now what we want to do is we want to bring the corners over like so. And score them down. Score it down. And the next one. It's a nice, quick and easy one. This one, you can do this one quite easily in a couple of minutes. Doesn't take long at all. Oh, that was a bad fold. That wasn't much better either. There we go. And now on this one, this one, this one, and this one. So one, 2, 3, 4. So now we've got our star shape. What we want to do is we want to get some Pritt stick or similar glue. I'm just using cheap B&M glue. And you want to glue every right hand side of the folded down triangles. Do 2 at a time to start with, otherwise the glue dries and it's not very effective. So now we bring the top layer of the star, or the right hand side of the star, over onto the left hand side where we've just glued. You can get your fingers in there on this sort of size star. If you go smaller, much smaller, you can't get your fingers in there to push it down. Okay, so we do the same with the other one we just done. Bring the right hand side over to the left, push it down, Now we can glue the other sides. One. Two. Give them a good amount of glue. It helps them stick. So bring the right hand side over onto the left hand side and just push it down, and then we'll do the last one. And there we go. So all we do now is just push in the top, make it nice and neat. And you want to do 2 of these. Here's one I made earlier. So that's what yours should look like. So what we'll do is we'll apply a little bit of glue around the outside of each of the legs on one of the stars. Doesn't matter which one. As you can see, I've applied glue to each side, and then we butt them up to each other at offset angles and just apply pressure to them till they dry. And there we go, guys. A really simple, fast, effective, 3-dimensional Christmas decoration. Well guys, I hope you like this one. Really easy to make. To give you some idea, there's another one, a much smaller one. Have one hanging off of the other and have it hanging from the ceiling or in the centre of your front room or lounge window. But yeah, thank you very much for watching. If you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Please also leave a comment. Thank you very much for watching.